Zingela is an 8,000-hectare block of South Africa where animals like genet, giraffe, kudus, caracal, impala, and nyala roam freely. It's also a place where scientists conduct research projects to better understand and manage the area's wildlife. My name is Keegan Webb. I'm a senior biology student in the University of Idaho College of Science, and I spent part of my summer at Zingela Safari and River Company. The reserve lies in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, and the Tugela River flows through the center of it. To get there, I drove from Moscow to Seattle, where I caught a plane to Doha, Qatar. From there, I flew to Johannesburg, South Africa, and then to Durban, South Africa, before being picked up by my transport to the research team. For someone from Weiser, Idaho, who has never traveled outside the continental United States, this 28-hour trip was an adventure in of itself. Once at Zingela, we made our way into the bush to watch giraffes. The purpose of my research was to help identify individual giraffes in Zingela, so we could track movement of the giraffes and monitor social behavior. The end result of this data would be to address a potential genetic bottleneck by creating paths that the giraffe can travel to migrate between the areas neighboring Zingela. This would enable the giraffe to breed with more individuals, increasing the diversity of the gene pool. To identify giraffes, we used their markings, the round black and brown blotches on a giraffe's hide, which are all different and can be used to identify individuals. We also used the length or size and shape of their ossicones, which are reminiscent of horns. In addition, we used any scars, marks, or abnormalities such as a bent ossicone or a deformed ear to identify individual giraffes. We even attempted to use camera traps to collect images of their giraffes to identify them. We also addressed management concerns by gathering opinions and information from villagers that lived in the area, and whose main economic staple was agriculture involving cattle. While not a big issue in Zingela specifically, we also kept an eye out for poaching activity in the surrounding area while doing field research. And our research gathered information that could in the future address giraffe species and hybridization, as well as the decline of certain plants in the area. While many may believe that there are only one species of giraffe, there are actually several species and subspecies. The species we were working with primarily in Zingela were Cape Giraffes, and we were also interested in studying their local diet that included mountain aloe plants. We are interested in looking at the literature to see if historical giraffe range falls in the same area as mountain aloe plants grow. In all, I was in Africa for just over 2 weeks assisting with this research, but it felt like I learned more during these 2 weeks than I could have in over 4 times the duration in the classroom. The opportunities available through the College of Science are amazing, and I encourage every undergraduate to reach out and take advantage of all the research opportunities available to them. They are life-changing.